In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning this VW Up using the help of some products which have been sent to test out and get my honest opinions on. Now, regular viewers of the channel might recognise this car as it's one that I usually clean quite regularly. However, I haven't actually had the opportunity to clean this for the past 6 months, so it isn't in the best condition. I started off the process as usual though by pre-washing the wheels using a citrus mix. So this particular one is by Squid Ink at a 1:9 dilution. I then used Squid Ink's Blue Lagoon wheel cleaner at a neat concentration to contact clean the alloys and tyres with some of their HD Pure shampoo in the bucket. Normally I would dilute this product, but if I'm totally honest, I was feeling pretty lazy on the day and these wheels were very dirty, so I thought I'd just go in with it at a neat concentration. It's a very thick formulation though, so diluting it definitely does help with coverage when I'm spraying it on the wheel, but either way it did a great job. To kick off the pre-wash, I'm using something a little bit different than usual, and this is Carbon Collective's Salt Remover. Now, since this car hasn't been cleaned really much over the winter and spring months, there was definitely some road salt mixed in with the traffic film on this car. So as the name suggests, this product is specifically designed to deal with salt build-up, which can be corrosive and isn't the best thing for the condition of the protection that's on the vehicle, but also just generally the surfaces. It is definitely hard to judge how effective a product like this is, as it's something that's really designed to be used long term. So if you plan on keeping your vehicle for a long time, then this might be a product worth looking into. But if you're changing your car up every few years, then it might not be as important to you. Since the Carbon Collective Salt Remover is designed specifically to deal with one type of contamination, I wanted to deal with the rest of the traffic film build-up using an alkaline snow foam, and this one is Squid Ink's Alcafrost, which some of you may know is one of my favourite snow foams. There's no need to layer a citrus underneath this, as I know this is a very capable alkaline snow foam that was more than able to handle the traffic film that was on this car. To contact clean the car, I went for Carbon Collective's Hybrid Shampoo, which is a ceramic infused shampoo that's designed to leave a layer of protection behind. Now, one of the main drawbacks of this category of shampoos is that they don't really feel very sudsy or thick, so it is a little bit of a weird experience using them to contact clean a car. It did, however, definitely leave some sheeting behind on an otherwise totally flat panel. Carbon Collective do say on the website though that you can actually add their normal shampoo into your bucket when using this one if you do want a more sudsy wash experience. Now I didn't have their Luso shampoo, so I just put some of the Squid Ink HD Pure in the bucket as well, and this definitely added some suds, which maintained the stability relatively well in the bucket throughout the wash. Unfortunately though, this did really impair the ability of the shampoo to leave protection behind, and I really couldn't notice much sheeting or beading when rinsing it off. It could be though that these two particular products just don't pair very well together, so I'll probably just try it on its own again in future, as when I've used a hybrid shampoo to top up protection on my own car in the past, it has worked pretty well. It wasn't a big deal that the shampoo didn't leave much protection behind, as I did want to go in with the tar remover anyway that was probably going to kill the protection off. So I went in with the Garage Therapy one to tackle quite a few tar spots that have been building up on the lower sections of this vehicle, and I just used one side of my microfiber towel to dry off the area, and then flipped it to the other side, sprayed some tar remover, and easily took rid of all the deposits in a single hit. In order to add some more protection to the car, I thought it'd be a good opportunity to try Carbon Collective's hybrid coating, which is a spray and rinse sealant that's applied in a foam cannon traditionally. So I used this at a 1:9 dilution, sprayed it all over the car, and left it to swell for about a minute before rinsing off. It did definitely leave some noticeable sheeting behind, but it wasn't as reactive as other products I've tried, and didn't do all that much to add some protection to these totally flat panels. I have used this though previously to boost the water behaviour on cars which do have some protection on them already, and it's worked really well in that scenario, but on the day it just really wasn't performing as I'd have expected. After drying the vehicle, I went in with Autoculture's Hybrid Desailer, which from my experience adds about 6 weeks of protection to the car. This is a really nice and easy product to apply. Simply spread it with one microfiber cloth, wait about 10 seconds and then buff it with another, and I can go around a car like this in just about 5 minutes. To dress the tyres and the plastic trim, including the wheel arches, I went in with Carbon Collective's sateen tyre and trim dressing. This is definitely becoming one of my favourites of this type of product for both its ease of application and the really nice natural satin finish that it leaves behind. In terms of durability, I also think it's pretty well up there for this type of product too. To give the glass a quick tidy up of any smears that I got from the tyre and trim dressing, I went in with Carbon Collective's Clarity Hydrophobic Glass Cleaner. I've been using this on my car quite a lot recently, and I've found it to work really well and really helps to extend the longevity of existing coatings.